Hello everyone, my name is IZZATY. My matrix number H21A2932 and I'm going to present the data arrangement and graphical method. So, the data arrangement is a process of arranging data into homogeneous groups according to their common characteristic. There are three types of tables that can be used to describe the data. For the first one, frequency distribution, relative frequency distribution, and for the last one is cumulative frequency distribution. So, based on Appendix 1, our group agreed to take 64 numbers which shows labor force by age group in Kelantan from 1982 to 2019. So the solution, step 1, decide number of class. Way to determine the number of classes, K, is 2 power of K rule. There were 64 labor force, so N is 64. To get 64, K must be powered by 6, which means 2 powered by 6, so we can get 64. And the recommended numbers of class is 6. Next, I'm going to present graphical method. Our group have choose polygon for our first graph. So, the formula for the graph is, you must find the midpoint first. To get the midpoint, you must add the lower class limit and upper class limit, then divided by 2. For polygon graph, Y is frequency and X is an age. So, for the last graph, we choose ogive. To get ogive graph, lower boundary, which is lower limit, must be subtracted with 0.5. For upper boundary, which is upper limit, must be added with 0.5. For ogive, Y is frequency and X is an age.
Hi, my name is MUHAMAD FIKRI bin HUSSAIN. My matric number is H21A2858. For this part, I want to present about the measure of central tendency and measure of variation. Measure of central tendency have three elements, which is mean, median, and mode. Mean is sum of data entries divided by the number of entries. Then the median is value that lies in the middle of the data when the data set is ordered. For the last is mode, the data entries that occurs with the greatest frequency. The formula and solution for mean. Median have 5 steps. Step 1, determine the location of the median class. Step 2, determine the lower class. Step 3, determine the class size. Next step, step 4 is determine before class the class median and frequency. Last step is calculate the median with formula given. Next, for the mode, have 5 steps also. Step 1, determine the location model class based on the highest frequency. Now, step 2 is determine the lower boundaries. Step 3, determine the class size. And for step 4 is determine the highest frequency. Last step, calculate the mode. Next, a measure of variation have 3 elements. First is the range of the data, is the difference between the maximum and minimum data entries in the set. Second, variance is the expectation of the square division of a random variable from its population mean or sample mean. And third is the standard deviation is a measure of the amount of variation or dispersion of a set of value. To calculate the range, it is max entry minus maximum entries. Next, this is I calculate the variance in the data. Therefore, the variance is 210.10. Okay, for standard deviation, this is how I calculate. Therefore, the standard deviation is 14.49.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Najmi Fitri bin Ramli. My metric number is H21A2889. I'm going to talk about measure position. Is quartile. Quartile is one of three that divides data set into four equal groups. So I'm going to talk about ungrouped data. First quartile is Q1. This is lower quartile, cut off 25% of the data. It means 25 third percentile, and second quartile is Q2. It is median cut of data in half. It means 50 third percentile, and quartile 3 is Q3. As per quartile, it is cut off highest 25% of the data or lowest 75%. Is mean 75 third percentile. So the difference between the upper and the lower is called the quartile range. You all can see the table and the solution. So step 1, you find the located Q1 and Q3 by arranging data in the ascending order, and step 2, we find the of Q1 and Q3 using formula as you all can see the slide. So step 3, we need to interquartile range. So Q3 equal Q1. So it's mean by 82 equal 45.06, and the answer is 36.194. Alright, for group data, the only step is the second step. We will use another calculation method as shown in the slide. Well, for Q1, the answer is 45.06 and Q3 is 82. So we do the minus operation, which is Q3 equal Q1. So and the answer is 36 point. So alright, for share of data distribution, it is mean is 63, median 80.4, and mean is in mod is 85. So mean, median, mod. This because non-symmetry is a distribution on which is no such mirror imaging. Therefore, it is skewed to the right.
Okay, I wish to present to parts B, introduction to data and the variables. Data of the statistics as independent variable employers percent by ethnic group in Kelantan's 1944 to 2021. Y dependent variable employers persons by age groups in Kelantan 1984 to 2021. Calculate person products movement correlation coefficient for the following sets of the data. Okay, next, the statistic of the data. This is our one set of the data that have one independent variable and one dependent variable, where ethnic is independent variable and age independent variable. To compute to person products movement correlation, firstly find the value of x2, y2, xy, and simulation x2, simulation y2, simulation xy. Let's enter all this value into the formula, and we got are equal to 2.392. So the correlation between the group of the ethnic and the group of age is 2.392. This indicates of the moderate association between this variable.
Question 2, person product relation. XY 166 167,128.32 minus 167,128.32 divide 35. 167,128.32 minus 4762.2524. For the answer, 1616465.08. X 697058.01 minus 697058.01 divide 35. 697058.01 minus 19915.64. Answer 677,142.07. Y 3687210.24 minus 3687210.24 divide 35. 3987210.24 minus 11392.09. Answer 3873289.95. XY, there is XY 677142.07 XY 1619496.08 divide 67714.07. For the answer are 2.392. There is very strong positive correlation at 2.392 between X and Y. For the simple linear, develop the statement regression equation, then interpret the regression equation. B1XY 1667128.32 minus 834.9 1996.8 divide 35. 1667128.32 minus 1667128.32 divide 35. And for the answer, 161,949 plus 0.08. 697058.01 2 minus 3987210.24 divide 35. And for the answer, 4.859. 57.05 minus 33329.713. 23.85. 57. And for the answer, 794,856.61. Develop the Y 794,856 plus 4.859x. Slope B1 4.8 859. For every 1 week increase in employed person by ethnic group Kelantan, the employed persons by age group Kelantan will increase about 4.859. Constant D0 794.856.61. When the employed person by ethnic group Kelantan is 0, the employed persons by age group Kelantan is 794.856.61 because the slope is 4.859. It may be determined that X has a 4.859 contribution to the Y. The basic Y is 794856.61.